We're here at the duck pond at UNM, and we're going to do our Fit by HIIT workout. And on this one, we're going to do 3 rounds, 4 exercises. And let's get started. Okay, for the first one, we're going to do burpees. For this, make sure you squat down, then kick your legs back. Don't bend over. You want to squat instead. Get the legs working. Okay, get flat on your back, lift up your legs, and do a crunch with the upper body at the same time. Keep on going. We're almost there. Walking planks, you want to get to your elbows and push back up into push-up position, plank position. You can alternate your arms so you don't continuously do the same motion. For this, get into push-up position. You're going to lift up your right arm and your left leg at the same time. Then you're going to lift up your left arm and right leg at the same time. Try to keep that up for a few seconds. This exercise really tests your balance. And work your abs and your shoulders and your lower back. Okay, try to push yourself a little bit harder this round. Go a little faster, but make sure you keep your form. You want to keep your form good, or else you'll hurt yourself. Try not to touch your feet on the ground. You get a better workout if you keep your feet off the ground. Try to do these ones a little better than you did last round. Right now, the abs are starting to get a little bit tight, but that's a good thing. Getting some exercise. Whoops, did that one wrong. Try again. This also takes some coordination by lifting the right arm and the left leg at the same time. Burpees. So the last time you're gonna do burpees, so you better push yourself. If you need to take a little break, take a break, but go right back at it after a second or two. Make sure you keep the form right. Last thing you want to do is get it wrong and hurt yourself. Make sure your back is straight. You push up on your arms. Okay. Try to hold a little bit longer. Work on the balance and work on the muscles. The last one. Just push yourself a little bit. Done. Good job.